Let's start with importing some static meshes as a test. Open Importer UI. Import as static mesh. Select relevant category. Select the material type. Select either non_SSS or SSS depending on your needs. Add files, in this case we'll be importing in multiple files. Click Assign Textures. For each file in the list, it will ask you to select its texture set. Select any one file of the texture set will do.
Voilà.
It automatically toggles sRGB off for occlusion, roughness, metallic and emissive maps as well. In the event of any missing texture maps, a placeholder texture will be created in its place, allowing you to replace them later on. Emissive intensity can be controlled in the generated material instances for both SSS and non_SSS materials. Now you are ready to start importing in your static meshes. Thanks for watching.